It's Terry with Sewing RV Style. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to make this illuminating bucket for your campsite. With it, you're going to have a bug-free evening. Okay, what we're going to need is a bucket of your choice, and I got two on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description. With lids, you're going to need a drill with either a 5/16 or a 3/8 inch bit that we're going to drill a hole in the bucket. An electrical cord. You're going to need a light fixture that we're going to screw to the piece of wood. Just some wire strippers, some pliers, and some nuts and screws. And here is the holder for the light bulb, and a 60-watt LED light bulb. The first thing we're going to do is remove the lid off and then drill our hole in the side of the bucket. And then we're going to cut the part that you plug cords into off of your extension cord, and go ahead and get that wire cut and stripped. And it's going to go through your hole that you just drilled. So you just make sure that your hole is big enough for the wire, and bring about a foot in. Tie it in a knot so it doesn't come back out after it's all said and done. And then get your wire stripped. And we'll put our little connectors on. And clamp them in good and tight. All right, next we're going to take the screws out of the bottom end of your porcelain socket. You could also get plastic, but we could only find porcelain. And we're going to attach our cord to those, replacing the screws. This is an easy electrical project that anybody can do. And you'll be amazed at how this keeps the bugs away from your campsite. And you could even do this at a back porch of your house, or when you're just sitting out at home. So it's not just for the camper. All right, next thing is we're going to take a piece of wood, and we are going to attach the light socket to the piece of wood, and we did already pre-drill the holes for the screws. That just makes it easier to get it put in. And don't screw them all the way down. Let's get both of them in, and then we'll fasten them down completely. All right, so now that we have it all screwed in, we're going to go ahead and put our wood on top of our lid on the inside and drill 2 holes. We're bolting this in so that it will stay in place. Just right into the lid. Okay, now that we got the bolts in, we're just tightening them up. And then that's all there is to it. You put the lid back on, and it has the handle. That's why you get the little buckets. And these are like, I don't know, maybe 3 quarts. Like I said, the link will be in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and make a comment. And you can head over to our Facebook page and show us how you're using yours at Sewing RV Style. It's not even dark yet, and look at the glow that it has already. I know it's kind of hard to see in the photo. It is very illuminating without drawing the attentions of a bunch of bugs. So the glow of the light, when it's dark, it's not even pitch black yet, and it gives about an 8-foot radiance. You could see the ground there, how bright it is. So give it a try, and then head on over to our Facebook page and post yours and let us see what yours looks like. Again, this is Terry with Sewing RV Style. Thanks for watching.